Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I have the ViewSonic X2000B-4K laser projector that can give you a 100-inch screen from just 23 centimeters away, and a theater level audio by Harman Kardon with Dolby and DTS support. In this video I will show you everything you need to know about this projector, so let's jump right in. Just a quick disclaimer, ViewSonic sent over this unit for review to share my honest opinion without asking me to say anything good or bad about the product, and after the review I will be sending it back to them. So let's start with the box contents. You get 3 different power cords to get you covered regardless where you live, a guide to help you position the projector based on the screen size you need, a remote control, a cleaning cloth, and the user guide. Next, the projector itself. On the top we have the power button, the lens, 2 ultrasonic sensors for the eye protection feature, which is something I'm going to talk about later, and on the front we have a 50-watt speaker system that consists of 2 15-watt woofers and the 2 10-watt tweeters made by Harman Kardon, which delivers exceptional sound. On the right side it has a USB Type-A port that delivers 1.5 amps, a dial for adjusting the feet, another one on the opposite side, and all ports are on the back. We have another USB Type-A, 2 HDMI 2.2 with ARC support, audio out, AV in, and a LAN port. Now let's put it into action. The X2000B has an ultra short throw ratio of 0.22, which will allow you to get a 100-inch screen size at just 23 centimeters away. So you can easily place it on any TV stand, and if you need more, you can get up to 150 inches at 52 centimeters away. I have it set at 100 inches, which is the ideal setup in my case. To get it started, follow the on-screen instructions to pair the remote control, adjust the focus until you get the sharpest possible image, choose the position, the language, connect the device to your Wi-Fi network, and you are good to go. Later on, under settings, you can adjust the corners using the keystone feature to get a perfectly aligned image. Now we are done with the setup, so let's take a look at the image quality. The X2000B delivers a resolution of 3840 by 2160. It has HDR support, 3 million to 1 contrast ratio, 1 billion colors, 2nd-gen phosphor laser technology with 20,000 hours lifespan. The colors coming out of this projector are vibrant and accurate with 100% coverage of Rec 709 color gamut. I also see a lot of details thanks to the 4K resolution. The contrast ratio is also great, and this is obvious in dark scenes like this one. Unfortunately, you cannot do any adjustments to the colors while using the built-in screen mirroring feature like in my case here, but if it's connected to an external source like a Chromecast or Apple TV, it gives you the option to adjust the colors by clicking the settings button while playing. It gives you 4 different color presets. To keep things simple, I found the movie preset to deliver the best colors while keeping all other settings set to default. In addition to this, you get tons of manual settings to adjust yourself if you are into this. When it comes to the brightness, it produces 2000 lumens. I didn't expect it to be that bright in person, so here is how it looks in the morning with the curtains open. Here's another sample in a dark room. And finally with ambient lighting. And this is a side-by-side comparison between all 3. So overall, the X2000B will get you covered in all situations, but it works the best in medium to low light. Now it's time for the sound quality, and let's start with this quick audio sample.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
The X2000B speaker system is very loud and the quality is amazing. So if you don't have your own sound system, you can definitely rely on it. Next, the software. This is a smart projector, so you can connect it to the internet and download your favorite apps, but I found it to be very basic and the App Store doesn't include most of the apps you might need. So I recommend using your own streaming device like Google or Apple TV. But thankfully you can cast media directly from your smartphone to the projector using the built-in screen mirroring feature, which is a good alternative in case you don't have your own TV box. Now let me show you the best convenient features you get with the X2000B. First, the remote control is backlit with a built-in G sensor that automatically lights up upon the left. Second, you have the ability to use the projector as a soundbar by connecting to it via Bluetooth, and in this mode it will automatically turn off the screen. Not only this, but you can do it the other way around and connect your own Bluetooth headset or speakers to the projector and enjoy the sound on any external device. Third, you can turn your mobile into an alternative remote control by downloading the ViewSonic Vcast Sender app and make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This will allow you to touch control the projector and use it for easier typing. Number 4 is the ability to project on any curved wall with the help of the wrap feature that gives you 60 correction points so you can precisely adjust every part to match the shape. Lastly, the eye protection. This feature uses the ultrasonic sensors to automatically cut power to the projection beam when objects are too close to the lens, which will protect people's eyes, especially young kids, if they come close to the lens. Next, the temperature and the fan noise. I found it to have a noisy fan after using it for a while in case you are in a silent room, and here's a quick sample. But while watching content, this won't be an issue. And when it comes to the temperature, it ranges between 49 to 50 degrees Celsius, which is noticeably warmer than non-laser projectors that maxes out at 40 degrees. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about the ViewSonic X2000 laser projector. Unfortunately, the pricing for this product is not yet revealed by ViewSonic as it's relatively new, but let me share my final thoughts. This projector has an amazing image quality and accurate colors thanks to the 4K resolution and HDR support. The brightness is good enough for all situations. It comes with a great sound system from Harman Kardon, so you don't need to purchase a soundbar to enjoy the experience. It has all the connections you might need like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI 2.2, HDMI ARC, USB, and more. In addition to some convenient features like the backlit remote, screen mirroring, CEC support, the ability to use it on any curved wall, and the mobile remote control. So all the important things you will be looking for in any laser projector are covered really well with this model. But it has two drawbacks in my opinion. The first one is the software, especially the App Store, as it lacks a lot of apps that you can find on other smart TVs, but if you already have your own streaming device, that won't be an issue. Secondly, the fan noise makes me uncomfortable if the device is turned on while in a silent room, but unfortunately there isn't much you can do about this. So that's pretty much it for today. That was my review for the ViewSonic X2000B 4K laser projector. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.